he makes disgusting noises.
I've never known anyone to make so many different noises at one time, no matter what it is. Whether it's, belching, the farting, the blowing of the nose. He makes the most guttural, disgusting sounds that you've ever heard. Oh. It almost sounds like someone dying, throwing up. And then he doesn't just belch normal, he has to move his body and position himself because the force of it coming out of him causes his body to contort. I have one belch that I call his dinosaur belch because it's like and then also sometimes when he belches it smells, and that's so disgusting.
It's very
Excuse me.
God.
I'm sorry. I just ate all those things.
We can smell it.
Nasty, Patrick.
Well, I sure am
my God.
embarrassed.
Isn't that foul? It's foul.
Sorry.
Patrick always has an excuse for his gas.
I should stop having soda. I have to let it out. I think I had too much cookie dough.
Watch out.
Because I'm just gassy.
Did you just fart?
No.
Yes, you did. Ah! Oh my God!
Everybody else seems to be able to control themselves, and he can't.
God, did that feel good.
It's one thing to do it when we're here by ourselves, which is still disgusting, but in public, I wish that he would have a little bit more restraint.
Stop it now, Patrick. That's getting to be disgusting.
Well, I really can't help it. I'm really having a moment here.
Even the radio audience is subjected to Patrick's condition.
Excuse me. I don't know where that came from.
And to further her cause, Renee consults their boss.
Now, what if you had to live with someone who did this?
Oh my God! That's Patrick.
That's Patrick! The belching and the gas alone, that could win me this competition.